Wouldn't you like to take a walk down the ocean after a long, stressful day at work? Or go out for a family picnic? Or hang out with your friends? Or spend some lovely moments with that special one? At Peak Bay, we give you all of this and so much more. Peak Bay gives you that closeness to nature and its reward. This property is still selling at a pre-launched price of 15 million naira for 300 square meters and 30 million naira for 600 square meters. This pre-launched price will expire by the end of March 2024, and a new price will take effect on the 1st of April 2024. It comes with a great document titled C of O, and it is located in a fully developed area with lots of establishments. Call or send me a direct message on any of the numbers showing on your screen. Let your reliable realtor help you secure a plot or more at Peak Bay.